Verlick sent this travel steamer for my review, and the really cool thing about this is it's not just a steamer, it is also an iron, and this is a ceramic head right here, which is awesome. You don't usually find both of them in one. I am going to be trying the ironing and the steaming on my very wrinkly duvet cover. I'm not 100% sure how well the iron's gonna work because we all know when you're ironing, you need a hard surface underneath it, but we're still gonna give it a try. Another really cool thing is that this can actually rotate, so you just give it a twist. Of course, this is a bit hot, so you want to be careful. And another thing to note is that as soon as you plug it in, it turns on. There's no on or off button, so please be careful. But yeah, so you can kind of turn it whichever way makes the most sense for you. So I'm gonna try, as I said, the iron first. I plugged it in probably about 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna just kind of pull this a little bit and go kind of slowly over here and see how well this works. Again, I think ironing, you need a hard, but surprisingly, like, I mean, that was super wrinkly. It is not perfect because, again, you need a hard surface under there, but that is still pretty good. So let's go ahead and try the steamer. So right now, hopefully, I don't know if you can see that, but there's an iron, and then we have 3 steam buttons. You just touch this. That is a bit of steam, a bit more, and then this is some hardcore steam. So here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a good little steam. I seriously cannot believe how well this thing works. This is insane. And that's steam. All of that steam is just coming from right down here. This is where you fill it up, super easy. Fill that up and then pop it right back in here and you are good to go. Man, this thing is small, but it is powerful.